place. Now we should be clear to remove the entirety of this board. And here we have the entire motherboard of our HP EliteBook 840G2. Here is the back side. And while I haven't confirmed this, I have heard that it is possible to switch the 840G1 and G2 motherboards to do an in-place upgrade going from the 4th to 5th gen CPUs, but I have not tested that yet. And here on this side, we can even see our SIM card tray is hiding here along the bottom side of this motherboard. So if you have a WAN card, you can get this thing cellular enabled. I'm going to very gently set this to the side. From here, we're going to continue to remove the remainder of our daughter boards. This one for port expansion seems to have 2 screws. With that port expander up and out of place, our VGA and 2 USB ports. We'll remove this board up here with this extra screw right here. And it is tucked up underneath the hinge, but we can still remove this part. So there's a little bit of tape here. And now that part should lift up and out, like so. This is actually our power button right here. Our CAC card does not seem to be intended to be replaced. It has these